So when it's time to go shopping for bags, I tend to go to Nordstrom Rack. This just says Nordstrom, but it is from the Rack. Don't mind my nails, I gotta take this off and redo them. And so I did take them out of the bags because I wanted to make this quick, but I'm shook because I was not expecting these bags to be so big, especially this one. I thought this was gonna be like that big. This is what happens when I go shopping online. Even Thumper looks concerned. Look at Thumper. Can I help you, sir? Can I help you, sir? He looks very concerned. He's just staring at me like, Mommy, what did you do? What did you do? I don't know. And Bunny's just sleeping. She's like, I can't be bothered. What did you do, Mommy? Heck if I know. So this is from a brand called Geiger, London. And one of the things I liked about this bag was, isn't this pretty? I don't know what this is. Hold on, let me turn the light back on. I don't know what this is, but I thought this piece was very pretty. It's sparkly, it shines. I mean, it's not too bad, but I don't know, it was not what I was expecting. And we're going to be staying at the Animal Kingdom in Disney, so I thought this was like a good idea. This is huge. I don't know if I could picture myself using this though this winter. That's the problem. I wonder if they have like bags smaller than this. I will leave the links in the video description box for you down below. It has handles. I was looking for bags with like, and it has a zipper. I was hoping this was like smaller. Oh, and it has handles like this. And then it has a zipper section. Let me pause this real quick so I could show you what's inside. After you unzip this bag, I did it for the most part. It has this, ooh, so this is nice. This baggie here. No, it's not a baggie. What is this? I'm not really sure, but I'll have to look it up. Geiger, London. This was inside of it. So it's normally $155. And it has this zipper section with their official, like this is authentic message to you. And then you can put like something inside of here if you want. I mean, it's very nice and spacious. There's a pocket here, a pocket. There's like 2 pockets here for stuff. I like bags, and it's very nice inside. That's why I was like hoping this was smaller. But geez, this is humongous. Hold on, let me see what this is. Oh shit. I think this bag is meant to be like a travel bag because this kind of looks like something you would put your shoes in or something. I may seriously return this bag because it's not what I thought it was going to be and go back to the drawing board and look to see what else they have for something more practical because I was hoping this was smaller. I don't need 2 humongous bags, but if you are interested in this bag because you need something like this whole ensemble, which if I needed this would be wonderful, but I don't need it. It's not what I want or need, so it's not wonderful to me, but I do like it. Like if this was what I needed, this would be a great idea. But I'll still leave it for you in the link and the information down below. So if you want it or need it or want and need it, you can get it for yourself. All right. So yeah, and then when I return this, there'll be one available in stock if they resell returns. I'm not really sure what the rules are, but we'll find out. I noticed on the packaging on like the baggies that they come in, the one for the animal print Geiger bag, it actually said wholesale. So that gives you an idea. I think I will keep the Tommy Hilfiger. This is cute and it's nice. Like I think I can use this. It's not too heavy. I'm gonna have to see if this meets the criteria for traveling. I just like a nice, basic, simple black bag. You know, let me put my phone down again. One sec. So the great thing about this is you can detach this. There's like a little snap. I don't want to mess with it right now. But you can unsnap this. And if you want to just bring this with you, like, if you don't feel like bringing, like sometimes I don't want to bring my whole big purse with me. So I just bring my little wristlet. but maybe I'll bring this with me sometime, somewhere. If I just want to, you know, bring a little cash or my cards, my license. I have my license in here, my debit card or credit card, maybe a little bit of cash, maybe a chapstick, depending on the size. That's good for that. My keys and not a chapstick. And then this is the bag. I like the hardware. This makes it a little heavier, but it's not bad. It's got like gold hardware with the black straps. Let me see if I can put it on my shoulder. It's not the most comfortable for me. I might just like carry it like this, or just hold it like this when I use it. But I think I will keep just this one. And then let me show you the bag. This nice little zipper. See, I wanted things that have zippers because I want to protect my stuff. On the inside, it has like the other bag. It's like red and black. The zipper section, it's kind of deep. Oops. The zipper section is kind of deep. Sorry. I wasn't aiming at the right spot. On this side, there's like this little pocket area where you can put something. Ooh. Yeah, I needed a new bag, just like to refresh. I'm ready to say goodbye to my Calvin Klein. So this one's about the same size as my current bag that I use, my Calvin Klein bag, which I also got from Nordstrom Rack. I have another one in my other closet from Nautica, I think it is, which is a soft bag, and I haven't used it as much. But I will keep this one because it seems like a good fit for me. My Calvin Klein bag, something that I do like about it more than this one in particular, is that it has an outside pocket where I do store a lot of things, which I like about it. I kind of wish this one did too, but it's alright. But maybe I will find something like that in my next bag. I didn't think about that. I was just looking for something that zips, something that's a tote. This says tote with pouch. The ticket price is $138, but I didn't spend that much on it. Tommy Hilfiger. I like the logo here. It's very nice. And yeah, so like I will definitely leave these for you in the box below. So if you're interested in any of these, I really do think the Kurt Geiger bag is really nice, and I would consider getting a different Kurt Geiger bag. I love that black stone gem thing. It's so pretty, but the bag's just not practical for me. That's the word I was thinking of. And again, these are from Nordstrom Rack. If you're looking for a designer bag, but nothing too expensive, and apparently they're wholesale, which I don't mind either way, because I know they are authentic, and I like that. You know, when I'm looking for something nice, but more budget friendly, that's the way to go, in my opinion. Because I don't want to spend $1,000 on a purse. There were packages at my door, and I believe this is, yes it is. This is the replacement bag I bought in exchange for, but with more money. It costs more money, a little bit more. This is a different purse that I got instead of that leopard print one, and this is from a brand called Aimee. Aimee Kestenberg genuine leather. I like the tissue paper they use. And the bag is called Catch Me If You Can. Satchel. I don't know what the CON period means. Black with black. And it's from Nordstrom Rack. And let me get this open for you so you can see what it is. And I'll show you this bag. This tissue paper is so lovely. So you could smell the genuine leather as soon as you open this. It's very nice, and to be honest, this was about the size that I wanted that leopard print bag to be, but it wasn't. And the good thing about this bag is I noticed online they have a model wearing this, so you could see what the size is compared to that other bag where like you couldn't. And I also mentioned how I did want a back pocket. I mean, I don't know what I could possibly fit in here. Maybe like my chapstick, and or my lotion maybe, if I could squeeze it in there. I don't know if it'll fit. But like, for example, I like to have my hand lotion in my purse, so I mean that might work. My chapstick and my, oh my god, there's a bunch of birds on my phone lawn. Lotion, there's some chapstick, and it has like an animal print inside, which is really cool. I may bring this one on my vacation, I may not. We'll see. But yeah, so that's the pocket. I did mention how I wanted to do that. So, and then there's zippers here. Let me take, I think this is just the style. I don't think these are actual like usable zippers. It's just the style. It has a very interesting look. It's like a standard black bag, but it has a little bit extra, and it comes in another color. I think it was like a brownish off-white tan color. I forget what they called it. Oh, cinnamon. They have black and cinnamon. I'm more of like a black chick. I got black, but yeah, let me show you more. The one thing I noticed that I made a mistake of with this purse is it doesn't have a zipper. Like this is just a snap. So it's good as long as it's not raining. And then it has this detachable strap, which I love. So I can either wear it on my shoulder, I could do crossbody maybe, or I could just take the straps off and carry it like this. And it's a little heavy, but it's alright. So you got the snap here, that back pocket, you got a little zipper section in here that, whoops. Then on this side, like usually you have like a pencil holder section. There's two of them, pretty deep pockets. You can put pens in there, whatever you want. And then it came with this bag, like the other thing did. Aimee Kestenberg. And I consider these to be like a shoe bag, or I don't know. Because this bag is definitely not an overnight bag. I would consider this for like a travel shoe bag, really. Or something else. I don't know, what would you put in it? Your laptop? I mean, honestly, it doesn't fit. This stain? I don't know, maybe. You can't fit, like, I don't know. What is this for anyway? On both sides it says Aimee Kestenberg. I guess it could be for your laptop or shoes or something else. I don't know. Then you take that out and you take all this tissue paper out. Where did I put it? Find me on the couch. So you got that. And it's genuine leather. I could like really smell it. I hope I'm not allergic to it. My hand's like starting to break out. I think. No, it's just a scratch. Thank God. So you pull out all of that, and it has this very nice animal print liner in this bag, which is very nice. And I like, this is the Catch Me If You Can verse, again, if you didn't hear that part. And it comes with this really fancy tissue paper, which I love. And that's Aimee Kestenberg for you, genuine leather. And you can follow her on social media. I got this. So you could try to get try to have a chance to be featured on your social feed at Aimee Kestenberg. Hashtag you got this. That's cool. And there's like a message about how authentic this bag is and stuff. But yeah, that's the other new purse that I got instead of the other animal print bag that I returned. And it's actually on its way back to where it came from as we speak. But yeah, so this is more of like the size I was looking for. Hold on, let me take this off. See what I mean? It's like, it's big, but it's not too big. See how like the box, it's like a good size, but it's not too big. That's like a good size for a purse. You can fit like probably everything you need, maybe a bottled water. To actually close it, it just has the snap. But it's fine. Like for like, you know, when it's not raining. And the good thing about this is I can hook on this bag that I got with my other purse, my little Tommy Hilfiger. I can mix brands if I really wanted to. I don't know if it's going to match very well. But if I needed to, I could probably attach this to here. If I needed to and wanted to, I could attach this to here. That way I have, you know, this with me, or I could just keep this with my other bag and use my little wallet. I got a new wallet on Amazon recently that I could put inside of this. And that's another good way to store my stuff. So yeah, this is this purse. I hope you liked it. And this one again is called Catch Me If You Can by Aimee Ketzenberg. Excuse me.